Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare TickTick, Todoist and Things tree. TickTick, Todoist and Things tree offer strong management features for different needs. TickTick is a feature-rich task manager with to-do list, calendar view, habit tracking, and a Pomodoro timer. It's ideal for productivity-focused users who want a deep customization and all-in-one planning tools. However, some of its advanced features are only available in the premium version. On the other hand, Todoist is clean and flexible, with smart features like labels, recurring tasks, and team collaboration. It syncs across all major platforms and integrates well with apps like Google Calendar and Slack. Still, the free plan can feel limited for users who need advanced project management features. Meanwhile, Things tree is a sleek, powerful task manager made for Apple users with smooth syncing across iPhone. It supports natural language input, daily planning, and project organization in an elegant layout. However, it is Apple-only in availability and has separate one-time purchase cost for each device. In my opinion, TickTick is feature-rich, Todoist is flexible and team-friendly, and Things tree is simple and elegant for Apple users. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys found value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.